All right, so as you can see, I'm through. Okay, I'm through sewing it already. All right, all I just need to do is to turn it. All right, I'll turn it. I'll turn it. I'll turn it. Okay, just turn it. All right, here you might see that it's a little bit not sharp, but try your best to finish it up. Trying your best. Okay, by making it, by doing it this way, you make here sharp a bit. Okay, if you have needles, okay, but that's meant for professionals. Professionals do that. They put needles here and they try to poke it out. Right, that's for professionals. Okay, for people like for people for beginners. For beginners, I don't advise you to use make use of ruler. Okay, make use of a needle. All right, I advise you to make use of needle. Now note, I when I brought it out the other time, it was bulging, so I'll cut close to the stitch point this way. Okay, now I'll put it back and you will note the difference. Okay, all right, look at it, it's beautiful. All right, look at it, it's coming out beautiful. Okay, here, bring it out as well and do the same. Okay, here same has been done. Okay, all I just need is to welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the part 2 of how to sew that collar. Okay, if you have not watched the part 1, please, the part 1 is in the description, or check the comment section, you see the part 1 of this. Okay, so please do well to like, to comment, and to share this video with others. All right, and so, and then I take one of the scissors and poke it. Please be careful, do not just punch it. Okay, if you punch it, it will come out and it will be very bad. All right, as you can see, it's pointed now. Okay, it's pointed, and this is it. Okay, and so all I need to do now is I'll bring it out here, make sure that the middle, you're seeing the middle. Okay, so all you need to, you take it to the iron and you iron it. All right, once I'm through, I'll show you. All right, I'm through sewing it. All you just need to do is you can sprinkle water on it and iron the path that you've sewn already. Okay, so once I'm through ironing it, I'll show you. All right, as you can see, I'm through. All right, see, it's very neat. Okay, it's coming out neatly and okay. So we are through with that. And here what I did, I sew with 1/4 stitch. Okay, 1/4 stitch, that's the width of my sewing. All right, and so all I need to do now is, can you see this notch part? Okay, notch it, and this other part you notch it as well. This part you notch it, and this part notch it. Okay, please do not forget, I said you can see the distance between this this and this should be 1/4. Okay, 1/4 should be 1/4. Right, that should be the distance. So if it is more than 1/4, please do well to trim. Right, it should be 1/4. So all you need to do is this. So take this, okay, take this, place it this way, the one with the one you notch, place it this way, okay. These as well, this is the right side, okay, right side to right side, place it also this way. All right, so place it this way, and what you do is you sew from here to here. You follow the 1/4 of an inch that you gave just by this side of this. Follow it, make sure it is pinned, and here the same thing, okay, same thing here. All right, and sew to this side. Once I'm through sewing it, I'll show you, and neatly. All right, so I can now turn it. Okay.
All right, here you can see I'm through turning it, and then I'm just checking if there is any opening.
All right.
Okay, in what I stitch, if the stitch is open.
All right, as you can see,
Right.
I'm through.
So all you just need to do is you take it now down to your pressing iron and you iron it straight away. Okay, just press it and you see the beauty of it. Once I'm through, I'll show you.
It's beautiful. Our color came out well. All right, so we'll put it now in our shirt. Put it now, so it attach it to the shirt here. Okay. All right, as you can see, this is the size. Okay, this is the size. All right, so we'll go over to the machine and you place it inside, okay, and then you sew. Okay, once I'm through, I'll show you. Ta-da! All right, look at it. This is the neatness I'm talking about. Okay, the neatness I'm talking about, and also the neatness. It is relaxed. This is the inside, this is the outside. Okay, this is the neatness. All right, so if this video have been of help to you, I know it's long, this video have been of help to you, please do not forget to click on like, and for those that are seeing my video for the first time, please subscribe and share this video to others.